If you're a trader and you're sick of getting inconsistent results, or you're tired of using unreliable signal groups, or maybe you're fed up with broken promises about trading bots that can give you passive income and they just end up blowing your account every single time, or maybe you're completely new to trading in general, well then you're in the right place. So in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to explain how you can use institutional trading strategies to become consistently profitable. It doesn't matter if you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader. This literally works for anyone. But first, let me introduce myself. My name is James Richmond and I've traded for the last 7 years. I mainly trade Bitcoin, but my strategies work on both Forex and crypto pairs. So the reason I started the Richmond Masterclass is because I keep seeing the same thing. People chase strategies, trade too big, move stop losses, revenge trade, and they call it learning. Or they're a complete beginner looking to learn and they join some bullshit signals group that just loses the money. Guys, let me tell you something. That's not learning. That's expensive mistakes on repeat. So here's what I'm going to teach you. I'm going to teach you a strategy that works. I'm going to give you the framework and the templates. Now, if you follow the framework, the templates, and the structure that I'll put in place, you will be profitable. I'll show you how to structure trading as a business to make money, then ultimately rotate those funds into investing correctly. Trading should be a way to generate money consistently for spending money, number one, to live your life, and then number two, to invest to multiply your net worth. So if you want to get started, click the link somewhere around the video and I'll see you on the inside.